Can you solve this interesting exponential question that we have on the board? Given that 16 raised to the power of x equals to 2, 81 raised to the power of y equals to 27, log 2 base z equals to 1 over 3, we are asked to find the square root of x plus y plus z. By the way, you cannot find the square root of x plus y plus z without knowing the value of x, y, and z, okay? So the first step is that you get the value of x, y, and z with respect to the information that were given in the question. Let's call this one equation 1, this equation 2, and this equation 3. Let us get the value of x from equation 1. We have 16 raised to the power of x equals to 2. Now, 16 can be written as what? 2 raised to the power of 4. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of x equals to 2, right? Now, 4 will multiply x. I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 4x equals to 2, right? Now, I'm having 2. Do you know that 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 1? So I'm going to put the invisible one here. So for this, I'm going to have, because the base are the same, I can set 4x equals to 1. Our goal is to find the value of x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So x will be equals to 1 over 4. So we've gotten the value of x. Now, how do we find the value of y? From the equation 2, we have 81 raised to the power of y equals to 27. Right? 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 4. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 4. This will be raised to the power of y equals to, now 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay? Don't forget, this 4 will multiply this y. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 4y equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, because the base are the same, I can set the power to be equal. So 4y will be equals to 3, right? Y will be equals to 3 over 4. Okay? We are done with y. We need to get the value of z as well. Okay? From equation 3, we have log 2 base z equals to 1 over 3, right? Now, according to the laws of logarithm, you have to rewrite this in index form. And if you want to do that, that means this z will carry 1 over 3. So I'm going to have z raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals to what? 2, right? This is the index form of the logarithmic equation log 2 base z equals to 1 over 3. Are you getting it? Okay, now listen. I have to do something to the exponent of this z. Are you getting it? To make it 1. What is that? I have to multiply the exponent by 3. And this also by 3. Are you getting it? So 3 times 1 is what? 3. 3 divided by 3 will give me 1. Z raised to the power of 1 is z. So I'm going to have z equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. So the value of z is 8. So we have gotten the value of x as 1 over 4, the value of y as 3 over 4, and the value of z as 8. So our next step is to substitute the value of x, y, z into what we have here respectively. So I'm going to have the square root of 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 8. 8 can be written as what? 8 over 1. So this will be the square root of 36 all over 4. Are you getting it? So I'm going to have square root of 36 divided by square root of 4. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 4 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So the result is 3. So the square root of x plus y plus z is 3. Do you understand? So that is the solution to this interesting question that we have on the board. Here we make use of indices, we make use of logarithm here, and also we make use of sword. If you want to learn all this topic, you can visit our YouTube channel, search for Beloved Academy, check the playlist. You're going to see series of classes that we've done as touching all these topics, okay? So if you are watching this maybe on TikTok or Facebook or any of our social media handle that differs from YouTube, you've got what to do. Just go to YouTube channel, search for Beloved Academy. You can watch the series of class that we've done as touching this. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can just check the playlist. Are you getting it? You're going to see the classes that we've done as touching all this topic, okay? So that will be all for this class. If you have any question or you have a topic that is bothering you, you can let me know in the comment section. I will find time to create content as touching the topic, okay? So see you in the next class.